Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, you are saying extremely very rarest, good luck, luck giving, matte finishing, naturally matte finishing Gauri conch from Indian Ocean. You can see this is naturally matte finishing Gauri conch. It is also called Kubera conch. Very very rarest collection. You can see it is a normal conch. You can see the difference. The matte finishing is very very rarest formation. It's a normal. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It's a normal Gauri conch. It's a matte finishing Gauri conch. It is just only one piece. It is a naturally matte finishing. See, naturally it is very very rarest collection from the Indian Ocean. By having this conch with you, it brings you good luck. It brings you good luck, and it brings you good luck. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah